Okay, welcome to the tutorial. Welcome to the tutorial on how to use my POS system for Shoto, the one I built myself with a bit of help from external sources. So let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, let's close that program. You don't want to be seeing that. That's not what we're doing. You need to log on to whatever operating system you are using, whether it be Linux, Mac, or Windows. Either the choice is yours. So you have that choice to make. Now, first of all, you open up the POS system. After opening it up, you log on. If you do not already have an account, you need to get in contact with a technician or the IT person who you've hired to take over my position after I've obviously my support ended for the company. Whoever is in charge of the system now, you need to consult him, and then he will add your name into the system, so you can have your own password and username, so you can log on. If not, if you don't have a password and a username, there's a free one you can use that I've created. It's the guest. The password is 129. I made a mistake somewhere. Like I said, it's 129. It will enter. As you can see, it automatically entered. Now that we're in the system, you can see there's various amounts of things that I need to explain here. The system has a reset calculation button, total for purchase button, close program button, and a checkbox enabler button. The normal user might be wondering what is all of this, but don't worry, I'm going to guide you through the whole process. You won't get lost. Just stay with me. And if you do get lost, just rewind the video maybe 10 seconds behind, and then follow again through. Okay, let's start with the checkbox enabler. As you can see, all the things on the system are currently disabled. If you want to input any quantity or value, you need to enable the text boxes, in which I made the text box enabler button. That solves that problem. It automatically enables all the text boxes, as you see. Now let's move on to inputting quantities and calculating a total. Okay, let's give a scenario. Say now a customer comes in through the door. He's like, okay, I want 5 meatballs, 10 fried fish small, 1 soup for takeaway, and then 4 fat cakes. Okay, he made his order. Now you click on total for purchase. It will show you the total, how much it's gonna cost. You show it to the customer. If he wants to make any changes to the quantity of products that he's ordering, you can change. And then you just need, for example, doesn't want 4 fat cakes. He wants 2 fat cakes and 2 meatballs. You just click on total for purchase again. It will adjust the total. Now that the customer sees the total, he gives you the money in order to pay. You click on the customer amount. You say he gave you 200 cash. After giving you 200 cash, you click on total for purchase again. After obviously you typed in the customer amount, and then it will automatically update the change. It will tell you how much you need to give the customer back as change. In this case, the change will be $3. This system is only made to run for the Namibian currency and the South African currency. It will not work with any other currency. It's exclusive for Namibia and South Africa. Okay? Carrying on. After the customer made his purchase, he received the items and he's gone. New customer comes in the door. Obviously, you don't want to reset all the values manually. That's where the reset calculation button comes in play. You click on it and it will reset all the values. As you can see, the screen is now basically fresh as it was when I first opened up the system. Now, you've done all your calculations. It's 5 a.m. You've worked 5 hours for your day. Your shift is over. Whatever, the shop's closing up or something like that. It's time to go home. You close the program. I made a button for that. It prompts you, do you want to close? If you click no, it will stay open, obviously. If you click yes, it will close the program, but not the application. The application, obviously, there's a close button in the corner for a reason. That's why I just made it close the program. In case you maybe pressed yes by accident, which is, it's highly unlikely, but just in case. Now, moving forward, we go to the report. The report will show you all the quantities or the quantity of each product purchased within that single day. That's basically all to it. And now the table. In my user documentation, I did not mention the table, but in the manager will be the one who will be able to get access to the table. So let's say after my support ends and they hire a new technician or IT, so the next IT person who's taking over and maintaining the system, he manages to link the system between two computers. So the customer works and he'll only be able to see the form menu and the report or Shoto report. But however, the manager on the manager's computer, they will be able to see the table, form, and reports. It's another story for the technician, for the IT person. The IT person will be able to see vastly more things, since there are some things you need to take care of, such as a user login form, etc. I'm not going to go into that, since I'm going to keep it as short and simple as it can be. For the manager, the table or Shoto is where you can see the cash, how much, it shows the quantity also, and it shows the corresponding cash, how much was paid to the system and how much was given back to the customer. Oh wait, no, I'm lying. It just shows how much money was paid. Yes, how much money was paid into the account of a business. So now only the manager gets to calculate this, because I hid this away from the normal system for the average worker, since they could obviously just come in here and commit fraud. They could just say, okay, no, that's not $5. I mean, that's not $505. You see what I mean? So this will only be accessible to the manager, and yeah, just the manager. Okay. So after doing all of that, you've worked for your system. That's basically done. It's time to close up. Like I said, it's 5 o'clock. You worked your 8 hours. The shift is over. You close the report. You close the table, the menu, the form, the program, I mean. And now you can close the application. Immediately after closing the application, your job is done. You sign off Windows and you go home. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use my POS system for Shoto, but program which I designed. My name is Michael Amutenya. If you enjoyed this, if you found this tutorial very helpful, please like the video, and also make sure to go through my user manual, which I've manually typed. As you can see here, it also gives you step by step. Maybe I'm scrolling a bit too fast. I'll open it up wider. It shows all the steps needed to operate the system and also log into it. So if you do find the video a bit tedious to watch and lengthy or long, go ahead and go through my user manual. It's just as simple, but just with words. Like I said, my name is Michael. Thank you for watching the tutorial. I hope you have a good day. Bye.